For as long as we've gazed upward, the moon has been our silent companion, guiding explorers and inspiring dreamers. Even with detailed maps and countless missions, the moon's mysteries seem to multiply, not diminish. Recently, high-resolution NASA images have sparked online claims of immense artificial structures, possible alien bases hidden in plain sight. With public access to space imagery, anyone can become a citizen explorer, scrutinizing every shadow for signs of the unnatural. Enthusiasts argue that among the familiar craters are anomalies that defy geological explanation, fueling speculation about extraterrestrial life just 250,000 miles away. This movement, driven by curiosity and skepticism, insists the moon story is far from complete. The idea that evidence of alien life might be hiding on the moon challenges our understanding of our place in the universe. In this video, we'll dive into the controversy, examining claims of hidden lunar structures, the visual evidence, and what scientific missions have actually found beneath the surface. By comparing speculation with scientific inquiry, we'll explore not just the moon, but our own desire to find meaning beyond Earth. The quest for knowledge demands bold questions and a commitment to follow the evidence wherever it leads. Let's begin our journey into the heart of lunar mysteries. At the center of these claims is the de Moraes crater, spotlighted by UFO enthusiast Scott Waring. In 2019, Waring claimed to find a massive artificial structure in NASA images of this far-side crater. He described it as a complex, manufactured object, far larger than anything humans have built. Its location on the moon's hidden hemisphere only fueled the intrigue. For believers, de Moraes became potential proof of an advanced civilization's visit or presence on the moon. Waring's narrative suggests NASA's own photos reveal a story of intelligent design, if we're willing to look closer. The de Moraes anomaly quickly became a symbol for those who question official explanations and seek extraordinary answers. This case shows how modern conspiracy theories are born, a provocative interpretation, amplified online, evolving as more people add their own ideas. The de Moraes crater is more than a picture. It's a narrative built on curiosity, suspicion, and hope for a discovery that could change everything. So, what do believers claim to see in the de Moraes crater? They point to right angles, squared-off blocks, and a dome-like roof, features they argue are too geometric to be natural. Some describe a long cylindrical tube, resembling a pipeline or transit system, and suggest the structure is a vast, partially buried complex. At over 9 miles long, it would dwarf any human construction, hinting at a civilization with planetary-scale engineering. Proponents insist these features are too defined to be digital artifacts or tricks of light. They compare the alleged structure's sharp lines to the chaotic terrain around it, arguing nature doesn't build imperfect shapes at this scale. Speculation abounds. Is it a ventilation system, a mining facility, or an ancient outpost? Regardless of the theory, the message is clear. This, they say, is not a rock, but technology. The debate hinges on whether these visual cues are evidence of purpose, or simply the mind's tendency to find patterns. Alien base theories are often paired with accusations of a cover-up. Proponents claim NASA is hiding evidence, pointing to discrepancies in image archives and alleged digital alterations. They argue that straight lines and missing features in newer images are signs of deliberate tampering. In this narrative, NASA becomes a gatekeeper, concealing cosmic secrets to prevent panic or monopolize alien technology. Enter private space companies. Enthusiasts hope SpaceX or Blue Origin, driven by profit and exploration, might reveal the truth. Imagine a future where a private mission lands near de Moraes, uncovers a base, and unlocks its secrets for humanity. For some, the private space race isn't just about exploration, it's a quest to claim the ultimate hidden prize. While speculation swirls, real exploration has quietly unfolded on the moon's far side. In 2019, China's Chang'e 4 mission landed a rover, Yutu-2, in the Von Karman crater to study lunar geology in detail. Using lunar penetrating radar, Yutu-2 mapped the subsurface to depths of 300 meters, providing the most detailed look yet beneath the moon's surface. The results? No evidence of artificial structures, domes, or underground cities, only natural geological formations. The data revealed a complex history written in layers of rock and soil, shaped by impacts and volcanism. Chang'e 4's findings offer a direct, evidence-based account of the moon's far side, countering claims based on surface imagery. The mission didn't set out to debunk alien theories, but its data provided a definitive answer to what's really hidden below. Sometimes, the truth beneath the surface is just as fascinating as the myths. The Yutu-2 rover's radar painted a vivid picture of a world shaped by fire and impacts. The uppermost layer is a mix of dust and rock, created by billions of years of meteorite bombardment. Beneath that, the rover found a buried crater, evidence of the moon's violent past and the chaos of the early solar system. Deeper still, 5 distinct layers of hardened lava reveal a history of ancient volcanic eruptions. These flows, each from a separate eruption, show the moon was once geologically active, with a hot, molten interior. Over time, volcanic activity waned as the moon cooled, leaving behind a layered record of its dying heat. The last major eruptions occurred about 1 billion years ago, after which the moon became the quiet world we know today. These findings confirm scientific models of lunar evolution, showing the hidden structures are the moon's own bones. What lies beneath isn't alien, it's the story of the moon itself. Comparing the two narratives, alien architecture versus natural geology, reveals a stark contrast. The alien base theory relies on interpreting surface photos, seeing order and geometry as proof of intelligence. It's fueled by mystery and distrust, seeking extraordinary answers for unusual images. Science, by contrast, uses direct measurement, like Chang'e 4's radar, to reveal a world shaped by impacts and volcanic flows. Natural processes can create features that look strange or even geometric from afar: lava tubes, faults, and shadows. The alien theory starts with a conclusion and seeks evidence, often dismissing contradictions as cover-ups, a classic case of confirmation bias. Science starts with questions, gathers data, and builds conclusions from evidence. The geological explanation is based on repeatable, verifiable data, not ambiguous images. Skeptics point out that many structures are image artifacts, or the result of pareidolia, our brain's tendency to see patterns. In the end, the scientific model provides a coherent, comprehensive explanation for what we see. The scientific community overwhelmingly favors natural geology over alien bases, guided by Occam's razor. The simplest explanation is usually correct. Alien base theories require extraordinary assumptions, an advanced civilization, secret construction, and decades of cover-up. The geological explanation needs none of that. It's supported by evidence from Apollo samples, orbital mapping, and missions like Chang'e 4. Layered lava flows and impact craters are expected, not surprising. Claims of alien structures rarely survive rigorous scrutiny. Most are tricks of light, low-resolution artifacts, or pareidolia. Science demands more than interesting photos. It requires repeatable, verifiable proof. Despite decades of mapping, no verifiable evidence of artificial structures has been found. The data from multiple missions paint a consistent picture. The moon is a natural, fascinating world. Until we find undeniable proof, the logical conclusion is simple: what we see are rocks, not rockets. Does debunking alien base theories make the moon any less fascinating? Not at all. The moon's true story of fiery volcanoes, cataclysmic impacts, and hidden water ice is a spectacular saga. With NASA's Artemis program and new missions on the horizon, we're entering a new era of lunar exploration. The moon is a stepping stone to the solar system, its resources and geology vital for our future in space. Our fascination with lunar mysteries, whether about aliens or water, reflects our unquenchable curiosity. It's this drive to explore and question that propels science forward. Let's embrace both wonder and evidence, encouraging bold questions and rigorous inquiry. The moon's greatest secrets may be its record of our solar system's history and its potential to shape our future.